Okay, now for the moment of truth. I have all of the drives in. I've done a bit of cable management, and uh, essentially I had to cut off all of the posts on the PCI slots so that I could fit this water block through. Um, and it'll just essentially be hanging off the end of the case, probably sitting on top on the rack. Um, but it's it'll be kind of a tight clearance. I think that the case will close with it on. Either way, there's a BIOS switch for the 3090 Ti where it has a P mode or a Q mode. I think it's probably wise to do Q mode. I'm not really doing this for performance. The reason I have these GPUs because it's AI. It's more about the VRAM, and in fact, like I was even thinking about perhaps like even undervolting them, so that they actually draw less power. The other thing is so the HBA, all their cables run out and then back in. It's still kind of precarious, but it seems to work for now. All the 4 drives are in, and the only other thing here is this the 16 pin 600 watt 12 very high power. It sticks right out, so the case will not close with that. What I've ended up doing was I ordered a 90-degree adapter, which should have enough space, and then I can run it sort of going up that way. That's supposed to get here on Saturday, but there should be, like, it looks pretty thin, so it should close properly. You just don't want to bend those cables. That's why people end up getting fires and stuff. So yeah, now I just need to see if this actually works, and I have all of like everything plugged back in. Oh, I heard some water. Okay, those fans are working. I hear a lot of hard drives. Still need to check and see where my RAM is at. It did ship. Ours must be doing something. It's not actually going in. And each drive seems to be like booting or something. I hear them turn on like one at a time. There we go. Oh yeah, cool. Oh, interesting. So it's M.2/1. And so there are the 2 drives that I plugged into one in the HBA and one in the other one, so that we can see that they're both. And then otherwise I had them both there. I suppose that makes sense. Like, I wonder if... actually, core voltage is kind of high. I wonder if... it probably has to check each drive to see if it boots, and I wonder if you can actually turn off specific ones. Yeah, save and exit, or just exit. Let's go. So that seems that it's working. Interesting, the G, okay. And I plugged it into the Ethernet, although I'm not getting any status light on it. My Mac does say that it has connected to the Ethernet, so... Oh, it's on. Yeah, the fans for the 3090 were on, but now they're off because I guess it's pretty cool. Yeah, I received 4 hard drives and then 2 NVMe. So now I just need to find out what I'm supposed to do to set up, but that'll be a lot of me on my computer, so